of you? I hope all are doing great. So before starting new chapter, I have to say something. Then suppose you are burning anything, okay, like a paper. Okay, in example you can take a paper. So when you will start burning, then what will happen? It will start burning only. Okay, so in the presence of what they will require for the burning. Okay, so they will require what? Oxygen. Okay, and substance also they will require. That things we will discuss later. So any substance, when it will start burning with the help of oxygen, it will start burning. Okay, and after that when it will start burning, then what? It will give what? Light or heat also you can say. So that means what? Any substance, when it will start burning in the presence of what? Air. Now which air? Air it means what? Oxygen. Okay, so we know that in the environment oxygen it is present only. So that substance they will need what? Oxygen. For what? For burning only. So this process it is called what? Combustion. And another one is what? In the burning time, what? It will give what? Light or heat. So that is said what? Flame. Okay, so our new chapter is what? Combustion and flame. So combustion means what? From any other substance. Okay, you take any substance, when it will start burning. Okay, when it will start burning, then in the presence of what? In the presence of air. Which air? Oxygen. So it is called what? Combustion. Okay, so in this combustion it will classify into what? Two parts. Okay, on the basis of what? On the basis of substances. Okay, in later we will discuss on the basis of temperature also it is there. So first we will discuss about what? On the basis of what? On the basis of substance. What it will be classified? It will be classified into two parts. Okay, so first one is what? Combustible substances, and another one is what? Non-combustible substances. So first of all we know that what? We already know that what do you mean by the combustion. So here combustible substance means what? Okay, what do you mean by the combustible substance? So any substance, okay, any substance when it will start burn easily. Okay, like that what? Suppose in an example again I will take that paper one. So when you will start what? When you will start burning the paper, then what will happen? In that time what? It will catches fire easily. Okay, we know that. So again kerosene it is there. Okay, it will start what? It will readily catch the fire. Okay, suppose here what? In a marker also you can see that. Suppose this one is marker. When you will start burning, then what will happen? It will take little bit time. Okay, as compared to that one. Or suppose you have glass. So that glass when you will start burning, then what will happen? That glass it will not catch fire. Okay, so what will happen? Again what? It will not catch fire. That means what? Again you will take another examples. What? Iron nail. When you will start burning this iron nail, what will happen? It will not start burning. Okay, so from these examples you can see that paper, kerosene oil or petrol, they are what? It will catch fire easily. Okay, in a very vigorously it will catches fire. Okay, so that substance where what? They will catch fire easily or readily, it is called what? Combustible substance. Okay, and another one is what? Non-combustible. That means what? Examples are what? Iron nails you can say, and again what? Glass. Okay, so any metal. So when it will start burning, then what? It will take more time like that. Okay, so that means what? Any other materials which can't catches fire easily or fire readily, it is said what? Non-combustible substance. Understood? So on a basis of what? On a basis of substances, combustion it will divide it into two parts: combustible and non-combustible. So in these examples here you can see paper, straw, petrol, etc. Okay, it will catches fire easily. And another one is for non-combustible: glass, iron nail, stone pieces, etc. It will not catches fire easily or readily. Okay, so that one is what? Combustible and non-combustible. Okay, so now we have to come in where? Temperature. Okay, so here what? Ignition temperature it is there. So now what do you mean by the ignition temperature? So ignition temperature here you can see the minimum temperature at which a what? Combustible substance means this one, like the paper, petrol, anything, when it will start what? It will start burning, okay, or it will start catch fire, okay, when at a minimum temperature. So that means what? Suppose again example, okay, with the help of examples we can easily understood now what do you mean by this, what do you mean by like that. So suppose you have paper, okay, and another one is what? You have wood. Okay, so when you will start burning the paper, then what will happen? It will catch as fire easily and it will convert it into ashes. Okay, so another one is what? We have wood now. So in this wood, when you will start burning, then it will take what? It will take time. It will take their time. It will start slowly only. Okay, so that means what? Here you can see that what? From the paper, it will start burning very frequently. Okay, and another one is what? From that wood, it will not start burning. Okay, it will not catch fire easily. Okay, it will take time. It will start burning after some time, but it will take time. Okay, as compared to the paper. So now here with this help of this example, you can see now in that papers they have what? Low ignition, means at a very low ignition temperature. If temperature is also very low, then what? It will start what? It will start burning as compared to the wood. Suppose in a wood, if you will pour some what? Kerosene. Okay, so in your home you can say that you can see in your home that what? Kerosene it is available. Okay, so when you will pour this kerosene in this what? In this wood, then what will happen? It will start converting. Okay, still start converting what? Start converting to it will start what? It will start burning. Okay, so that means what? For this one they have to require what? They have to require temperature. So on the basis of different substance, they will require what? For burning, they will require different substance at a different temperature. They will start to burning. Okay, so that one is what? Ignition temperature. Ignition temperature means what? At a very minimum temperature, when they will start catch fire, it is said what? Ignition temperature. Understood? And in a combustible substance, what will happen? At a very low temperature, okay, at a very not low temperature, at a very low ignition temperature, or at a very minimum ignition temperature, when it will start catches fire, then it is said what? Inflammable substance. These are what? Similar to each others. Okay, so in ignition temperature, at a very low, at a very minimum temperature, it will start burning. It is said what? Ignition temperature. And another one is what? At a very low, it is very minimum ignition temperature, when it will start what? When it will start catch fire, or when it will start fire, then it is said what? What you say? Inflammable substance. Okay, so with the help of examples, we can say that suppose you have what? You have paper. Okay, so and you will make a what? Cone of this paper. You can see in your picture, in your book also, that picture is there. Okay, with the help of activity there, it is there. So that paper, when you will make a what? Cone like that. Okay, like that you will make a cone of a what? Paper. Okay, so in this what? In this cone of paper, what will happen? So here you put what? You pour some water in this one cone of paper, and another in a cone of paper it is empty only. Okay, now you will start what? You will start what? Burning. So it will what? It will start burning. Okay, so what will happen now? So in this what? That paper, that in a 2, that one is what? Level 1, level 2, like that. So in this 2-1, what? It will start burning and it will convert it into what? Ashes. Okay, so but what? But here water it is there. Okay, so with the what? That water, their temperature it is what? Now their temperature it is not that much where it will catch fire. Okay, so that is why what? In this one level, what will happen? It will not start burning. Okay, because of what? Because of that temperatures, it will not provided that temperatures where they can catch fire. Okay, so that one is what? Inflammable substance you can say. Okay, this class we already discussed about what? Combustion, flame, again what are the types of combustion it is there, and again what are the ignition temperature and inflammable substance. So these all things. Okay,
that's it for today. If you have any problem, then you can give message in a comment box also. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.